that we got from the Japan convention. Yay! This is a Silverado that Mommy got for me. Here's a treasure hunt car. Here's a mini car agogo go race card. Here's the ramen wrecker that I got with my dad and me. And shark bite that I bought by myself. And here's a car that I draw from the custom coloring. And these cards I got from the prize bag and the sticker too. And I got this free from the staff with the Ramblin' Wrecker. And I got this rose for free from someone. I'm finished. Goodbye, Showtimers.